To fix a declining PayPal card, it is essential to understand the possible reasons behind the issue. The most common reasons for a PayPal card being declined include insufficient funds, expired or canceled card, incorrect billing address, and security restrictions. First, ensure you have sufficient funds in your PayPal account or linked card to cover the transaction. If the funds are available, check the expiration date of your card, as an expired card will be declined. Verify that the billing address associated with your PayPal account matches the address on file with your card issuer. If the issue persists, review your PayPal account for any security restrictions. PayPal may flag certain transactions as suspicious, leading to a decline. In this case, you can try to verify your account or contact PayPal customer support to resolve the issue. To prevent future declines, it is crucial to keep your PayPal account and linked cards up to date. Regularly review your account information and update any changes to your billing address or card details. Additionally, ensure you have a valid and active card linked to your PayPal account. In some cases, the issue may be with the merchant or the transaction itself. If you are trying to make a purchase, try contacting the merchant to see if they can assist with the issue. You can also try to use an alternative payment method or card to complete the transaction. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and resolve the issue with your declining PayPal card. If you continue to experience issues, it is recommended to contact PayPal customer support for further assistance. They can provide more detailed information and help you resolve the problem.